This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, I'm Erik Anderson, and I'm the Executive Director of Professional Relations at Art Optical Contact Lens. For those of you who may not be familiar with Art Optical, I want to take just a few minutes to highlight who we are and how we help specialty lens practices. And then I will spend the rest of my time here with you introducing our Ampleye Scleral lens design. But first, I'd like to thank everyone in attendance this weekend. We sincerely appreciate your interest in scleral lenses. I'd also like to thank Wu University for arranging this event and making it so easy for eye care practitioners like yourself to grow your specialty lens knowledge. So a little bit about Art Optical. We provide experience you can trust. As the longest running independent custom contact lens lab in the United States, we are dedicated exclusively to specialty lenses and have been serving eye care practitioners since the inception of rigid lenses back in 1958. 2023 marks our 65th year of doing this. We are a global leader and have assisted hundreds of thousands of practitioners and millions of patients across the US, Canada, and around the world. We are widely recognized for our service, which includes a large and highly trained team of professional fitting consultants who are easy to reach and happy to help refine your lens fits, a comprehensive and industry-leading warranty protection program, and a simple no-return credit process, as well as a dynamic and modern website with expansive practice management resources and fitting tools at your fingertips. You can also expect to receive superior quality manufacturing and expedited turnaround time on all your orders from us. We offer an extensive specialty lens product portfolio covering virtually all conditions with a category-leading custom silicone hydrogel, corneal GP, or scleral lens design. You can learn much more on our website at www.artoptical.com. Now this leads me into our scleral lens design, Ampleye. Ampleye is a very simplistic and efficient design that allows for many capabilities from one small diagnostic set while saving chair time in the process. This short video is going to tell you all that and much more on the Ampleye design.
Are you currently fitting scleral lenses and frustrated by too many fitting sets? Is your diagnostic fitting process time-consuming and complicated? Or are you new to fitting scleral lenses and overwhelmed by the options available? It's time to consider Ampleye. Ampleye features an easy-to-use 9-lens fitting set that requires only one trial lens application for on-eye evaluation. Ampleye is a 16.5 diameter 4-zone design with the ability for each zone to be independently controlled. Each trial lens incorporates a 150 micron toric haptic periphery. Our diagnostic set is engineered to provide the optimal number of trial lenses required to fit the full range of ocular conditions and corneal shapes and sizes while minimizing your investment and chair time. Use the quick reference chart to select the starting sag that is nearest to the corneal condition you are fitting. Only one lens is required to evaluate the diagnostic fit. The included 150 micron toric haptic will provide rotational stability. From the 16.5 millimeter trial assessment, the lens diameter of the initial RX lens can be adjusted to 17 millimeters or reduced as small as 15 millimeters without the need to retrial. Many competitive designs require large diagnostic sets, oblate and prolate variations, and multiple lenses to be placed on eye during the diagnostic fitting. With Ampleye, the consistent limbal lift zone and scleral landing zone means that a single trial lens application is all that is needed. Maintaining multiple trial sets and determining which design is best suited for each individual patient can be confusing and daunting. The answer is Ampleye. The intelligently designed diagnostic set means only one trial set is needed, and only one trial lens application per eye is required to meet the majority of corneal conditions. Ampleye saves you time and money. Intuitive parameters means less tweaking and adjustments, fewer ordered lenses, higher first fit success, and reduced return visits for your patients, resulting in significant chair time savings for the practice. Ampleye is the only design you need to make scleral lens fitting simple and successful. Advanced design software and lathing technology are combined to produce the one scleral lens design that covers all of your specialty fitting needs. Ampleye allows you to control every aspect of the patient fit based on a single diagnostic lens evaluation. Each diagnostic lens uses the same SLZ and LLZ configuration. Only the central vault zone and peripheral cornea zone vary with each sag change. You never have to change diagnostic lenses unless corneal touch is observed. Upon trial lens application, the built-in toric haptic allows the lens to find its orientation within seconds. With an FDA indication for the effective management of dry eye and ocular surface disease, Ampleye's toric haptic construction creates a fluid-filled hydrolock chamber for lasting moisture retention and soothing relief, while virtually eliminating the lens fogging issues common to other scleral designs. Let's begin the fitting process to demonstrate how quick, easy, and accurate a single lens fitting can be. Select the trial lens sag according to the corneal condition as described in the Quick Fit Reference Guide. Fill the bowl of the lens with non-preserved sterile saline that has been steeped with fluorescein. And carefully place on eye, preventing an insertion bubble. Allow the lens to settle on eye for 20 to 30 minutes. The slit lamp can be used to observe the clearance between the cornea and the posterior surface of the lens by performing an optic section. All diagnostic lenses are 0.3 millimeters or 300 microns thick. Use the thickness of the diagnostic lens as a guide to approximate the amount of clearance present. Note the estimated clearance, which can be adjusted if necessary at the time of the patient order. OCT is an excellent instrument to observe clearance. Make sure this measurement is performed at the highest elevation of the cornea, which will display the least amount of clearance. Note the estimated clearance, which can be adjusted if necessary at the time of the patient order. Use the slit lamp with white light to observe the limbal clearance, which will show the limbal border and any fluorescein that is extending onto the sclera. Note if there is touch or minimal clearance present. Observe the scleral landing area, looking for edge standoff, blanching, or vessel constriction. If observed, note in the record. Observe where the sag indicator or horizontal O marks are located using clock position and record. Perform spiral cylindrical over-refraction. If it was determined during the diagnostic assessment that the limbal clearance needs to be increased, the average increase will be plus 3 steps or 75 microns. Note that any change in the LLZ will change the PCZ and CVZ clearances by the same amount. The PCZ and CVZ zones may need to be adjusted if the resultant sag is excessive. If it was determined during the diagnostic assessment that the scleral landing needs to be adjusted due to edge standoff, blanching, or vessel constriction, the average change is plus or minus 2 steps or 50 microns. Note that this will affect the LLZ, PCZ, and CVZ clearances by the same amount. These zones may need to be adjusted if the resultant sag is inappropriate. Based on your diagnostic assessment observations, you are now ready to place an Ampleye lens order. Only one lens was required for on-eye evaluation, saving valuable chair time and reducing the patient's stress level from requiring multiple trial lens applications. Ampleye provides a number of customization options, including diameter variations, quadrant-specific control technology, center-near multifocal optics, spherical power aberration correction, and front surface cylinder. Tangible hydropeg surface treatment is also available. Art Optical's experienced fitting consultants are readily available to assist with your prescription lens order. Based on your diagnostic assessment findings, they will walk you through the required changes and assist with cylinder access compensation. Or you can use our Ampleye Initial RX calculator. Simply call us at 800-566-8001 or send your request online through our encrypted HIPAA-compliant order portal at artoptical.com/ordering.
This design has helped countless practitioners over the years, and here are a few testimonials I'd like to share with you. As I finish up, I want to highlight the specialty contact lens market here in the United States. Estimated at over $300 million in 2022, many patients need these lenses, and the market is very lucrative for you to seize. Thank you for giving me the time to share some of the wonderful things here at Art Optical. If you'd like further information or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Good luck as you continue your specialty contact lens journey.